everyone, and welcome back to Glorious Creations. I hope you're having a fantastic day. So I was in my garage right now and I realized I have a ton of cardboard boxes. Let me ask you, do you guys have this problem? If you do, not anymore. These may look like simple cardboard boxes, but let me tell you that they are not. This is pretty sturdy, heavy duty, like my dad would say, cardboard. And we are going to use these as well as a few other ones that I will pop up on the screen around here. We will use these cardboards, make some crazy ideas that I just thought of because I feel creative. And yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so for the past few months, actually, I've been saving all my daughter's diaper boxes and wipey boxes as well. And I've been trying to make these cubes that I saw online that were super cute. So I wanted to go ahead and make a homemade creation similar to that. That isn't over the top or expensive. I can make at home, super easy, and it's and cheap to make. Okay, so kind of going into what I did and giving you guys an overview. I did save exactly 6 boxes, one for each letter of my daughter's name. Her name is Athena, Athena. Right now it's all a mess. I did all different type of colors on the letters. And well, basically all I did was I square on each of the 6 sides, leaving like a thick border on each one. Just basic construction paper. This wrap right here, this wooden wrap, is the one I use for most of my creations. I get it at my local dollar store. And I did pick up a curtain there, a see-through one. So all I basically did was measure each cube side. And I went ahead and just kind of taped it on there. What I do regret though is taping it from the outside. I should have taped it from the inside out. But my original plan was to stack each one on top to spell her name and fill them up with like balloons or balls or toys. Thought it was a really cute idea. I wanted to go ahead and make at home and show you guys. So this is just an example of how the first cube looks. The rest are over there, and as you can see, they're different colored wood that I used. That's just because my local dollar store ran out of this kind, the light brown, so I had to go with the dark brown. But it actually kind of makes it look a little bit like different, which I'm okay with and I don't mind. But I'm gonna go ahead and just assemble these and show you guys how I hot glue them together. So this is the bottom cube I'm gonna start off with, working my way backwards. And this one I did put a layer of the curtain wrap on the bottom. I want to make sure it holds all the stuff I'm going to be putting in. So the only one that needs the bottom one sealed is the last box. So all of them have all of the sides and the top and the bottom open. So like for this one, the top and the bottom are like open still. So I could easily stick my hand in and out of the box. I did pick up a few flowers here and there just to make it look really cute and artsy. And our second creation is this tiki box. So this tiki here was made out of a giant box I had in my garage. I have 2 actually. They were actually from my baby shower. I was giving 2 baby car seats and strollers. So this is the first one. Was really fun to make. I basically hot glued some flowers on there, some Hawaiian flowers. This is all construction paper that I cut out by hand, and I literally just glued it on with Elmer's glue. Oh, another thing I forgot to mention is that I did leave the bottom open. Like I was saying, bonus feature, the bottom is open, so I have it filled up with balloons. Just a few, just to show you guys, but the day of the party, it will be filled with balloons. And this is our second tiki box. As you guys can see, it's made kind of the same as the other one I just showed you guys. This one, I got a little bit more creative. I went ahead and I hot glued a flower lay on him. And I gave him this whole little like headband. Paper, Elmer's glue. I made a little pattern on the top and the bottom, and I gave him ears. Same on the other side. And of course, our homemade creation has to have an added feature. And of course, the top opens up. And yes, it holds balloons as well. So the day of the party, the balloons can come out. So these are just a few ideas I came up with. I do have a lot of cardboard boxes left, so I will come up with a few more ideas, and I shall put them in this video, or if not, the next one. So you guys can have a few ideas for your next party, Hawaiian themed party, luau, or even a baby shower. Colorful, easy, can't beat that. On budget as well. And if you're asking yourself, Gloria, my box is way too tiny. Don't worry, you can use them to make a tiny tiki. This is the baby's party, so go wild. Mine has a pacifier. And these little flowers I got at the dollar store, they're little stick-ons. Flower on top, and it says, Aloha baby. Again, this is your creation. Go crazy. It's literally just cardboard and construction paper. Go crazy. You can't go wrong.